Luxury cars, they turn heads wherever they go. Sleek lines, powerful engines, and that unmistakable aura of prestige. But let's be honest, sometimes owning one feels less like driving a dream and more like signing up for endless repair bills. One week it's the transmission, the next it's the suspension, and suddenly that elegant ride starts feeling like a money pit. Here's the truth. Not all luxury cars are ticking time bombs. There are models out there that combine sophistication, comfort, and cutting-edge technology without forcing you to empty your wallet every year. Imagine cruising down the road in a car that feels expensive, handles beautifully, and is actually dependable. The kind of car that makes you feel proud to drive it rather than stressed about what might break next. In today's video, we're diving into 5 luxury cars you can confidently buy in 2025, each backed by real-world data from Consumer Reports, RepairPal, and iSeeCars, plus thousands of owner reviews. These aren't just guesses or flashy recommendations, they're tested, proven, and praised by people who actually own them. So, whether you're a luxury enthusiast looking for your next car or just curious about which models offer real peace of mind, this list is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which cars deliver luxury without the financial headache and which ones are worth your hard-earned money. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on more insider car guides and tips that help you make smarter buying decisions. And don't forget to leave a comment below if you've ever owned a luxury car that surprised you, good or bad. Your story might just help someone else avoid a costly mistake. First up on our list is the Acura MDX, a mid-size luxury SUV that has earned a reputation for being both reliable and practical. The kind of car that makes you feel like you're getting premium luxury without constant worry about repairs. Under the hood, the MDX packs a 3.5-liter V6 engine that delivers smooth, confident power. Paired with a refined automatic transmission and Acura's super handling all-wheel drive or ACE HWD, this SUV feels incredibly stable in all conditions, whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating wet and twisty roads. The steering is light yet precise, making it easy to handle even for drivers who aren't used to larger SUVs. And despite being a 3-row vehicle, the MDX never feels bulky or cumbersome. It strikes a rare balance between size and agility. Step inside, and you'll see why owners rave about this SUV. The cabin is clean, well-built, and thoughtfully designed. Leather upholstery feels soft and luxurious, while Tri-Zone climate control ensures every passenger stays comfortable no matter where they're sitting. Front seats are heated and ventilated, making summer heat and winter chills equally manageable. And the ELS Studio Premium audio system brings a theater-like sound experience right to your daily drive. It's the kind of interior that makes you look forward to every trip, whether it's a quick errand or a weekend getaway. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. Even base models come equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and blind spot monitoring, features that provide peace of mind for the driver and family alike. It's a luxury SUV that doesn't just look premium, it acts premium too. When it comes to reliability, the MDX consistently scores above average. According to Consumer Reports and owner feedback, it's praised for engine durability and low cost of ownership, with annual maintenance averaging around $570, remarkably low for a mid-size luxury SUV. Of course, no car is perfect. Some drivers have noticed a slightly hesitant transmission at low speeds, and the dual-screen infotainment system can feel a bit dated compared to newer rivals. But these minor quirks hardly outweigh the smooth ride, spacious interior, and long-term dependability that make the MDX such a smart buy. So, if you value a blend of comfort, stability, and reliability in a mid-size SUV, the MDX is hard to beat. But what if you need even more space and a full-size SUV that takes luxury to the next level? That brings us to our next pick. Next up on our list is the Buick Enclave, a full-size luxury SUV that quietly earns its reputation for comfort, space, and dependability. Unlike some flashy European SUVs that demand constant attention and wallet-emptying repairs, the Enclave is all about quiet, understated luxury, the kind that lets you focus on the drive rather than worrying about what might break next. Under the hood, every Enclave comes with a 3.6-liter V6 engine paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission. For those who live in areas with unpredictable weather, the available all-wheel drive system adds extra stability and confidence. It's not about sporty handling. It's about a calm, composed ride that glides over rough roads and long highways without making you feel like you're pushing the car to its limits.
Inside, the Enclave really shines. It comfortably seats 7 passengers with second-row captain's chairs that make long trips feel more like flying first class than driving across town. Materials feel premium throughout. Soft-touch leather, heated and ventilated seats, tri-zone climate control, and a premium audio system that fills the cabin with rich, immersive sound. Top trims even add a panoramic sunroof, giving the interior a bright, airy feeling that makes every ride more enjoyable. Families and daily commuters alike will appreciate the thoughtful touches that make this SUV feel both luxurious and practical. Safety is another area where the Enclave stands out. Features like rear cross-traffic alert, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning keep you protected without feeling intrusive. It's a vehicle that allows drivers to relax, knowing that it has their back in tight or tricky situations. When it comes to reliability, models from 2017 to 2019 have been praised for consistent performance, and annual maintenance averages around $720, which is quite reasonable for a full-size luxury SUV. Minor drawbacks include fuel economy that isn't class-leading, an infotainment system that can feel a bit outdated compared to new arrivals, and potential suspension wear if the vehicle is regularly driven on very rough roads. But for drivers who prioritize comfort, space, and stress-free ownership, the Enclave is a standout option. If the idea of a full-size SUV with room for the whole family and luxury that quietly impresses appeals to you, the Enclave delivers without unnecessary complications. Now, let's switch gears and move to sedans, compact luxury vehicles that manage to surprise even against the German powerhouses. Shifting gears to sedans, the Cadillac CT4 proves that compact luxury doesn't have to compromise. Launched around 2020, the CT4 replaced the old ATS with a sharper, more refined small sedan that confidently competes with the usual German favorites, but without feeling like a copycat. It's sporty, comfortable, and packed with modern features, making it one of the most underrated options in its class. Under the hood, buyers have a few solid choices. There's the 2.0-liter turbo 4-cylinder delivering smooth everyday power, a 2.7-liter turbo pushing up to 325 horsepower, and for enthusiasts, the CT4V Performance model, which adds serious excitement without overcomplicating daily driving. With rear-wheel drive as standard, the CT4 feels balanced, confident, and surprisingly agile for a small luxury sedan. Perfect for city streets, weekend drives, or carving corners when you want a little fun behind the wheel. Step inside, and Cadillac keeps things modern yet comfortable. Leather upholstery, power-adjustable seats, dual-zone climate control, and a Bose premium audio system make the cabin feel upscale and driver-focused. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, keeping connectivity simple and intuitive. Higher trims go further with heated and ventilated seats, a head-up display, and advanced safety tech like lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision alert. The interior feels both sporty and inviting, a rare balance for a compact luxury sedan. Owners consistently praise the CT4 for solid build quality, quiet cabins, and responsive handling. Maintenance costs are reasonable, averaging around $480 to $650 per year, depending on trim and usage. Naturally, there are a few minor drawbacks. The rear seat space is a bit tight, especially for taller passengers, and the ride can feel firm on rough roads, particularly with larger wheels. Some base trims also use materials that feel a little less premium than expected. Still, these are small compromises for a car that manages to blend performance, comfort, and style in one confident package. For anyone who wants a compact sedan that handles like a dream, looks refined, and delivers daily practicality, the Cadillac CT4 is hard to beat. From a compact luxury sedan that surprises on the road, let's now move to classic American full-size luxury. Cars built for elegance, comfort, and that unmistakable sense of prestige. Now let's talk about classic American luxury with the Lincoln Continental, a full-size sedan that marked the brand's elegant comeback between 2017 and 2020. This is the kind of car that makes a statement without shouting. Sophisticated, confident, and built for those who value comfort over flash. Under the hood, the Continental offers multiple engine options to suit different tastes. There's the 3.7-liter V6 for reliable everyday power, the 2.7-liter twin-turbo with a bit more punch, and the top-tier 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6, which pushes 400 horsepower and even offers all-wheel drive for added stability. This isn't a car built to carve corners like a sports car, and that's exactly the point. It's designed for smooth, effortless cruising, and it nails that experience. Step inside, and Lincoln really shows its luxury credentials. The cabin is quiet, serene, and built with care, featuring soft-touch leather, real wood, and aluminum accents. The seats are nothing short of indulgent, with 30-way adjustments, massage functions, heating, ventilation, and memory settings for both driver and passenger. A panoramic sunroof brings in natural light, while the premium audio system transforms the cabin into a private concert hall. Every detail is focused on comfort and relaxation, making every drive feel like a special occasion. Safety is also taken seriously. The Continental comes standard with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring, giving drivers confidence on every journey. And reliability? According to Consumer Reports and RepairPal, the average maintenance costs range from $500 to $700 per year, which is remarkably low for a full-size luxury SUV. Minor drawbacks include the air suspension occasionally acting up and a slightly floaty handling feel on twisty roads, but these small issues hardly take away from what the Continental represents: classic American luxury done right, offering comfort, elegance, and peace of mind. Finally, after exploring this elegant sedan, it's time to look at one more luxury SUV, a model that blends comfort, technology, and family-friendly usability seamlessly. Rounding out our list is the Infiniti QX60, a three-row luxury SUV that manages to feel premium without being flashy. It's the kind of vehicle that appeals to families and drivers who want a well-rounded, dependable luxury SUV. Plenty of space, comfort, and thoughtful features, all without the attention-seeking exterior of some rivals. Power comes from a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with a smooth CVT transmission, and for those who need extra traction, all-wheel drive is available. The QX60 isn't built for aggressive performance. Instead, it's tuned for quiet, smooth acceleration and relaxed cruising, making it perfect for long family trips or daily commuting with a little added style. Inside, the cabin prioritizes comfort and convenience. Leather seats, heated front seats, and tri-zone automatic climate control ensure that every passenger stays comfortable, while the spacious interior easily accommodates 7 passengers. Upper trims bring even more luxury, including ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a 13-speaker Bose premium audio system, turning the SUV into a calm, enjoyable environment for the entire family. Infiniti has also packed the QX60 with a full suite of driver assist and safety features, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, and emergency braking, making it a smart, safe choice for families that don't want to compromise on luxury. One small detail owners love is that the second-row seats slide and tilt, allowing easier access to the third row, a feature that can make everyday life much more convenient. Overall, the QX60 strikes a perfect balance between comfort, technology, and usability, offering luxury that's practical, reliable, and enjoyable, the kind of SUV that quietly earns respect without needing to shout. So, there you have it. 5 luxury vehicles in 2025 that prove you can enjoy elegance, power, and premium features without constantly worrying about repair bills. From the mid-size practicality of the Acura MDX to the full-size comfort of the Enclave, the agile sophistication of the Cadillac CT4, the classic American luxury of the Lincoln Continental, and finally, the family-friendly tech-packed Infiniti QX60, each of these cars offers something special. The common thread? Comfort, reliability, and peace of mind. These aren't just cars that look good on paper. They're vehicles that owners trust, enjoy driving, and don't dread taking them to the shop every few months. Luxury doesn't have to be stressful, and these 5 models prove exactly that. Now it's your turn. Which one would you drive, or maybe you already own one of these models? Share your experience down in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss more insider guides on smart, stylish, and dependable cars.